Get ready for the dictation on the count of 3, 2, 1. It will assist me if you will make up an itemized list of all the stock we have in the store. The list should also state the cost of each item. Although our costs are high, we have always refused to let honest value assist our firm to keep its customers and also to secure new buyers. Our silk may be subjected to any test you may wish to make. We think your first step should be to stop waste as fast as you can. We suggest adjusting our sales this year already exceed all of our sales for last year. Although you invoiced the post, your failure to get them to us on time has caused a big upset in the schedule and has cost a large sum of money. We shall do our best to influence him to cancel the debt. In the past, we have used this style of pencil and we know it will be all right for your purpose. Almost all types of stencils have a mark to show when you reach the bottom of the page.